Manually starting a server feels like modern-day moving mountains. Finding HTTP certificates is like a treasure hunt. And you even have to copy files manually just to change one line of code. It's not development. It's being a tool. Trust me, ServBay plus PyCharm turns hard mode into easy mode in an instant. Easy to pick up in just a minute. First, let ServBay be your hosting butler. Open the software. Click Websites on the left. Then add site in the top right corner. Enter the nickname. Make up any easy-to-remember domain name like my-static.dev. Click Browse next to root directory and choose a folder as your storage folder, e.g. the static projects. Finally, click Save. The server starts up. HTTPS is all set, and certificates are generated automatically. No need to scour the web for resources. You'll save enough time to have an extra half cup of coffee tilde. Next, let PyCharm be your code writer. Open PyCharm, click New Project. Set the location directly to the storage folder path you used in ServBay, i.e. the static projects. Then just click Create. Right-click the project folder, select New, gives HTML file. Name it index.htm. Just write ServBay plus PyCharm equals development cheat code. Then create a style.css file. Add the line .title color blue. Done. Now check out the final demo. Type my-static.dev. In your browser, the page loads in a flash, and the blue title is crystal clear. Change the CSS color to red in PyCharm. Save it, then refresh the browser. The title turns red instantly, faster than changing your phone wallpaper. No need to copy files or restart the server. You'll see changes as soon as you make them. This experience is even more satisfying than scrolling through short videos.